The title of this lecture is Structured Leadership. I've discussed leadership from various perspectives. I've talked about it from the viewpoint of crisis situations, exceptional circumstances, and removing fears. But leadership also has another side to it, a more average side. Sometimes, businesses have projects and strategic initiatives to capitalize on opportunities, and at other times, businesses just need to operate and make money in a more automated fashion. When there are great objectives to be achieved, the charismatic leadership is very useful. However, when there are simply regular, everyday operations, do we really need visionaries with great communication skills and great goals? There is another type of leadership, called structured leadership, which is useful in everyday operations. During everyday operations, businesses need to operate in an automated fashion. To accomplish this, the leader needs to create systems, rules, workflows, and methods. These things are all leadership structures. Some businesses have too few, and some businesses have too many of these structures. With too few structures, there is too much flexibility, and every problem leads to excessive negotiations and arguments. With too many structures, this can be restricting, such that it demotivates people and gives rise to a counter-movement where people strive to have more freedom. So if everyday operations require leadership structures, and therefore a structured leadership style, then why are charismatic leaders hired for these roles? People like charisma and effective communicators, but for effective structured operations, businesses should consider structured leaders as well.